Welcome to the channel Rock and Creation, and yes, it's totally free. Just download the project, link in description, download it. So let's open the project, but first go to the video, go to the download and move the zip file to your drive. Right click and click extract here. Now open the folder. Now see, there are two versions, one is horizontal and the second is vertical version. But before you open the project, inside the font folder you will find all the fonts to install. So make sure to install these fonts before opening the project for proper work. Just open it, select and click install. Please do this before opening the After Effects project. First open your After Effects and then go to File, Open Project, and go to the drive where you extract the zip file. Now open the folder. There are two versions. I just want to open vertical version. Just open the folder and click on the project file and open it. Now if you are showing some ones in your screen, just avoid it, just click OK. Now see, the project is open. Then go to the timeline and just click on the hide button and check all layer before you edit the project for your comfortable work. And then let's go to project panel and see, there are some folders. Look, one is assets, second is edit comps, and the third is render comps, and the fourth is audio folder. So now let's edit this project video. To change text in this project, first select the scene which are text placeholder. So let's go to the timeline and see, I have selected this intro scene and look, these are the text placeholder, and to change this text just double click and open the intro scene. Just double click on any text layer and type your text. And if you want to change on this text, then select it and go to character panel, and here you can change the fonts and the size and anything. Now if you think you are done, then just go close the comp and see the text is changed. So change other text like this. To replace image or video in this project, first create a photo or video folder in the project panel. To create a folder, just click Ctrl Alt Shift and name it photo. Also you can just simply click on the folder icon, just click on it and name it photo or video. Now just select the pics you want in your project and just drag and drop it to photo folder. Now I have just imported all the required footage. Now go to timeline, just double click and open the media placeholder. Double click on media, delete the image and go to the photo folder. Just drag it to the timeline and press the left button and hold the shift key and adjust it. Also, if you want to add other footages like video footages to the project, then just go to timeline and open sheet number 8. Just double click on it because it has the media placeholder. Just double click on it. Open media, comp, double click on it, and look, it has two media placeholders. One is this and the second one this. Just delete the image and go to your project panel and just drag and drop it to timeline. Press the left button and hold shift and resize it. And if you want to trim it with size, then hold shift key and press the left button and trim it with size. Let's add the second media. Press the left button and hold shift key and resize it. After done, just close the comp. And it's set. To add audio to this project, first drag and drop the audio to the project panel and just go to the timeline and delete the old music and just drag and drop the new one to the timeline and it's set. To change color in this project, just go to the timeline and here you can find color control layer. Just click on this and just go to effect control panel. If you do not find this, just click on window button and just go to down and Here you can find this, just click on it and it will be display here. See, these are the color, just select on it and just select any color, and this is the background color, and choose any type of background that suits you, and I think it's looking better. Just click OK. Click on the second color and select it. To change text color, just click on this and change text color. So you can change the colors like this. After you finish the project, to save the entire video to your drive, just go to the menu option and click composition and click add to render queue. Now you can find some render settings in the timeline. Just go to down, and here you can find best setting. Just click on this and choose quality always best and resolution full. Just click OK. On the output module, click on lossless and choose format QuickTime. Listen, and QuickTime is a format that quickly renders the video, so always choose QuickTime. In the format option, just choose the codec which suits you better. So I am going to choose this. Just click OK. And finally, on the output, just click on the name and set the save location of the video and name the video. Then click save, and finally just click on render. Just click on it and it's rendered to your save location. So guys, if you want to many more projects like this, then make sure to subscribe the channel and also hit the like button and write a comment about this project. So thank you guys for staying with me. See you on next video.